Hello my dear students, welcome again in my channel. Let's study with Madam Sir. Students, in our complete series of English grammar, today I am here with verbs and preposition that go hand in hand. Students, here is the list of some examples of some verbs and prepositions which go hand in hand. It means that used together. So number one, students, accompanied. Accompanied, if there is something after accompanied, that then with preposition is used. For example, student, as one sentence is also given here. For example, so the example is here. The cheering of the crowd was accompanied with clapping. So here clapping is what? There is something, and that's why with preposition is used here. Now next one, students, accompanied by a person. If there is any person, then which preposition is used after accompanied by? For example, student, the President of India was accompanied by all the cabinet ministers. So here all the cabinet ministers are what? A person. Now number three, students, capable of. So what is capable of? Able to. What is the meaning of capable of? Able to do anything. For example, these artists are capable of performing for hours at a stretch. So here, what is the meaning of capable of? Able to do anything. Now number four, students, coincide with. What is the meaning of coincide with? To accord with. To accord with. For example, his ideas about democracy do not coincide with. Do not coincide with the ideas of others in group. It means that his ideas about democracy do not accord with the ideas of others in group. Now number five, students, cling to. What is the meaning of cling to? To stick to. The sentence is here, the fisherman decided to cling to their plan and go out fishing though the sea was rough. So the example is here, the fisherman decided to cling to their plan and go out fishing though the sea was rough. Means cling to means here to stick to. To stick to the plan. Now number six, student, condemn to. Condemn to means imprisonment and death or death. For example, Hari was condemned to means Hari was imprisoned to 1 year of imprisonment for pickpocketing. Number seven, confident of. What is the meaning of confident of? Feeling or showing abilities. For example, Sania Nehwal was confident of winning the badminton tournament at Singapore. So, student, here what is the meaning of confident of? Confident of means here feelings or showing ability of winning. Now number eight, count on. Count on means to depend on. I can count on my friends to help me overcome difficulties in life. Count on means depend on. I can count on my friends to help me overcome difficulties in life. Now the next one, student, number nine, differ with. What is the meaning of differ with? To disagree with. To disagree with. Reena differed with her friends on going to Simla during the weekend. Now number 10, differ on or over. To disagree on some issue. If there is some issue, then if there is some person, then with preposition is used. If there is any issue, then on and over is used. For example, the class monitor and the discipline monitor differ on or over many issues. So here there is many issues, that's why on and over is used. Now number 11, student, differ from. Differ from, it means to be unlike. To be unlike, differ from. Girls differ from boys in their likes and dislikes. likes and dislikes. Now number 12, deprive of means to prevent someone from doing or having something. For example, the children were deprived of sports facilities in the school due to lack of space. Deprive of means to prevent someone from doing or having something, means there is some lack. So the example is the children were deprived of sports facilities in school due to lack of space. Now number 13, student, eligible for. What is the meaning of eligible for? Fit to be selected. And the example is here, only experienced sales girls are eligible for this job. Now number 14, engaged in. What is the meaning of engaged in? Taking part in. For example, the children are engaged in the science project. Number 15, engaged to. Engaged to means engaged to someone for the purpose of marriage. For example, Adarsh is engaged to Amita, an interior decorator. Now number 16, exempt from means free from. Unprivileged children were exempt from paying laboratory fee. Unprivileged children were exempt from means free from paying laboratory fees. Now number 17, grieve at means to feel great sadness. For example, she was grieving at the sudden death of her uncle in a car accident. Means she was feeling great sadness at the sudden death of her uncle in a car accident. Now number 18 is student, grumble about. What is the meaning of grumble about? To complain about. The residents of the colony were grumbling about long power cut, means complain about. The residents of the colony were complaining about long power cut. Now number 19, heir to. Heir to means successor to. Yuvraj Bhima was the heir to the throne of Kalyanpur. Means Yuvraj Bhima was the successor to the throne of Kalyanpur. Number 20, injurious to means harmful to. Chewing tobacco is injurious to health and it may cause cancer. Means injurious to means here harmful to. Now 21, indebted to. Indebted to means obliged to someone for a favor. For example, Gauri was indebted to her uncle for bringing her up well after death of her parents. So indebted to means Gauri what obliged to someone for a favor. So here Gauri was indebted to whom? Her uncle for bringing her up well after the death of her parents. Now number 22 students, ignorant of. Having no knowledge of. Ignorant of means having no knowledge of. Ramesh is ignorant of rules and regulations of his school and often gets into trouble. Ramesh is ignorant of rules and regulations of his school and often gets into trouble. Number 23, indifferent to. Indifferent to means unconcerned with. Indifferent to means unconcerned with. The union leader is indifferent the problem of laborers indifferent from the problem of laborers working in production unit. Indifferent to means unconcerned with. The union leader is indifferent the problem of laborers working in the production unit. Now number 14, 24, involved in. What is the meaning of involved in? To be busy with. To be busy with. For example, he was completely involved in his last month. In his project last month, he was completely involved in means he was completely busy with his project last month. Now number 25, last one, moved with pity means feel very sorry. Mother Teresa was moved with pity when she was the poor condition of sick lepers. Mother Teresa was moved with pity means Mother Teresa was feeling very sorry when she saw the poor condition of the sick lepers. So student, here we have got 25 verbs and the preposition that comes with the particular verbs. So thank you for watching the video students. I will come with another set of verbs and the prepositions. So keep watching my video, like it, subscribe my channel and share it.